can rip them off. What'd you get? Grandpa, where's the scissors? Squeeze its belly. Don't rip out all the paper, please. That's to cushion your eggs when you collect your eggs. Yeah, you have to put your eggs in there. Squish its tummy.
Sarah, leave that in there.
Squish its tummy. Okay, everybody's good then. Thank you. Come on over here, Indigo. Sarah, don't take the pink stuff out.
Oh my god. For the first time, chocolate butter. Finally.
Yeah?
Me too.
That's for later. That's for later. What else did you get? Did you get stickers? Look, got stickers. Look. I see. It's a bunny. You got bows for your hair.
Sarah, stop.
She took the first little marshmallow bunny out and that was it. She stopped. Everybody happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
happy?
Sarah, you happy? Let me see your face happy. Yay. Now you got your basket for your eggs later? Okay, everybody's good.